Uh, NASA is National Aeronautical and Space Administration. It is situated on 1958, 1st October 1958. It's a part of US government. It is totally government. Astronaut Christian Koch, NASA on the DC Washington. James Frederick Jim Bedriesten was nominated by President Donald Trump, confirmed by US Senate, and sworn in NASA 13th administration on April 23rd, 2018. It's a space theater, has also Justin, very good friend of mine. Justin gifted to me from space station every day diamond moon for me. Every month of first, Justin gift me diamond ring from space station. It is orbit ray and it is moon lunar orbit road disconnected for that lunar eclipse created. Other lots of planet watching from space station. I am Prime Minister of India, several times buys lots of missiles from Washington Aeronautical Company. Our country very much powerful than US government. I have done meditation. After that, invisible speaking power from my mouth. First time, it's I think I first achieve closely connect with moon, closely connect. First I achieve total earth. My meditation I have done 1 hours and 1 hours to 2 hours, 1 hour to 2 hours. That's why our first time I achieved our earth. Everything just I slap here and everywhere air. 75% water and 30% soil. After that I have meditation very deep and very deeply. I have created everyday sun, very powerful sun ray. It's a slight sun ray, it's a rainy or will day. Whatever you want for me, I achieved it. Farmer very much happy for with me. economic growth very much booming. For that globalization, global warming, for that very much nowadays very much slightly affect our human bodies because of my meditation done every day. If you want to rain or wheel every day, I created wheel. It is totally scientific, it is management based. Big leader, I am for that charismatic leader. Whatever I want to talk, I will talk everywhere. It's whatever it's a metal matter, whatever it's a cement, it's a pebble, water, whatever. That's why I am autocratic leader. Nowadays I am prime ministerial or presidential candidate from US. Everybody requests to you, please vote for me. If your health condition very much bad, every day you done meditation for middle of this eyebrow, middle side, Om and Om. If you feel pain from your chest pain or heart effect or stroke type, create this and this. If you create fever from forehead, this area, medical cost totally low. Medical studies, students experiments, expenses very much low. First, I am Indian Prime Minister. For that, I am first decided one person arrived in moon. It is my decision. 2019, 20th of July, first person footstep on moon. It is my decision. It is Indian government achievement. If you increase your height, it is totally based on NASA or totally on my meditation done. You think better than your height, anyone, your height decrease. If you very much fat, you think very much slim, better than you. If you then you slim. If you pain your anything, your body, touch this portion and done meditation, completely cure. Nowadays medicine cost very much high. For that, it's a my creation. If you want to some of time your health condition not good, your daughter or your son not eat anything, then and there done meditation, and you hungry, your son and child, little kids are very much cure for that. For my meditation, NASA parallel to me, and NASA, every scientist nowadays. I am also scientist of NASA. It is declared by, I am president also India, Donald Trump, totally US government, on US government responsibility on my hand. Donald Trump transfer oath taken and transfer totally in my hand. Oath taken day, and then hand over my hand totally US responsibility. For that I urge to request every day everybody maintain your figure by my meditation. Consume lots of water, consume health drinks, consume vegetables, lots of vegetable you consume every day. Everybody knows nowadays, just before I meditation, everybody knows ultraviolet ray affected on earth because moon, because sun effect on earth, directly effect on earth. It is totally affect our human bodies. It create rashes, irises, skin cancer, hair losses, and lots ultraviolet ray affect our vegetables, our foods, coconut. Nowadays coconut very much dry. More and more use cell phone. It is bad for our human bodies. Our consumed foods, oils, not pure, totally pure. It is created your health rashes and irises from your ultraviolet ray. UV protection you used, after that cure everybody. And more and more cropping grains, rainfall every day. Every day sun ray affect your body. Your skin doesn't your skin do not smooth. For that every day everybody use essential for everybody. Our some of time every day your sun ray is very much powerful. Your sun ray, it is on earth, and water vapor, consume your water vapor, and after 2 or 3 days gapping rain or will come. For that slightly our earth slightly cold, but it is not totally cold. I have done meditation. After that every day I try to rain or will. It is totally based on scientific, or it is based on management thing. I think it's have no problem, because it is if anyone flight mode, it's a ozone layer, and ozone layer and upper layer from ozone. That's why rain not affect aeroplane or helicopter. yeah, I am India Prime Minister, a good friend of Justin, and very good relation with royal family. That's why Justin decision. I am married to William Philip Arthur, and William Philip Arthur's decision. I am president of USA. Declare my name, William Philip Arthur. Not only that, he is for me. I am CEO of World Bank and Swiss Bank also. Not only stopped here, I am world mother for him. He declared me world mother. He own football World Cup. It is my game plan. I am very much surprised for him, and he also won cricket World Cup also. And that day he told me, and that time I am also a member of Queen family. I am Queen Elizabeth daughter, next queen. After that, World Cup in England hand, and it is request to William, please, member of my family. I am member of my family. Our marriage date declared, but lockdown, that's why it stopped. He very much request to me the date coming very quickly, date declare his, but I am delay my day marry date. Everybody very much loved me. My mom very much talented, very much polite nature. My mother-in-law, I am very fan of her. Very much aggressive nature, very much smart, very much angry. Big personality, one of big personality of world. Also I am big world ambassador. It is declared Justin Trudeau. I am Miss World from Dazzle, and Miss Universe, also Miss Universe from England. I am Harvard, I am Cambridge, and Tata McGraw-Hill. Good relation with Obama Hussein, also good relation with Trump family also. Trump family has trees like Queen Elizabeth. Trump families, all the little son, whatever I urge Trump then and there fulfill. Every day I am talking invisible on currency. Good relation with Justin's family, good relation with Andrew Thatcher and Stephen Harper. My meditation, which day I sitting for my meditation, that day my mom working at our kitchen and working on one pressure cooker. That's why scientist name Stephen Hawking. Actually my mom working, I am just listen one voice, just I am totally stopped and I done meditation, and my mom working on kitchen with one pressure cooker, Hawkins pressure cooker. That's why scientist name Stephen Hawking. Christian coach, scientist name because aeronaut's name because I am 24th of September my urge to I read Bible. For that every Christian very much love me, every Muslim brothers very much love me, and also every Hindus very much love me. No quarrel with each other, but I have hijacked by Laden. Laden always following me, always very much gossip related me. That's why I am slightly scared. If I am not big personalities, then they when and whatever hijacked me, it is very much problematic for my lifespan time. After that, my life as usual not same. My life stagnant water type. My elder sister stay in USA. My elder sister work in JFK. He also knows Airbus right. She is a big personality of US. Everybody knowing her to Aloem. Other big personality, Hrithik Roshan had good friend of mine. Hrithik Roshan, two sons, Ryan and Ridan, my adopted. I am world mother. Ryan Gandhi and Ryan Badra also adopted. Xavier, son of Canada's Prime Minister, Xavier, and little son Hadrian, very favorite me, and they always talking with my mom's currency, mom's picture printed currency, and daughter very much my lovable Ella Grace. And good relation with Justin Sophie Turo, and good relation my mom, other mom Janma. I am researching for my Janma's life. I don't know who is Charles' sister or Charles would be wife. She is a very much smart, talented Prime Minister's wife. Good relation with Gandhi family. Sonia Gandhi also very much smart, Italian lady, but total India in his hand. 70 years total regime, Indian regime on Sonia Gandhi's hand. Sonia Gandhi also very talented. PhD related on Gandhi families. Good relation with Robert Badra and Robert Badra mom. Robert Badra's also sister maintained me as a sister. Miraya, Priyanka Gandhi's son, good relation with Priyanka. Priyanka had done also meditation. Rahul Gandhi has done also meditation. Priyanka Gandhi doctorate on meditation, doctorate on psychology. I am invisible study doctorate from Canada. Executive MBA studies time I am returned from Canam one fair. Returning time one big accident happened to me. After that at that day Sonia Gandhi helped to me. After that I am everything told and wrote Queen Elizabeth. After that Queen Elizabeth adopted me. Good relation with Singapore and Japan also. Everyday night I am facing big problem from Hapit Shoaib wants to murder me, and everyday night from mirror Hapit Shoaib AK-47 rifle in front of me and wants to gun shoot me. That time Lee and Japan Shinzo Abe every day save my life. Everyday night save my life. Where mirror there Hapit Shoaib wants to murder me and save my life day by day. Japan Prime Minister and Singapore President also, Aussie, my good relation. Saint Watson, big personality, all rounder, good friend of mine. Joe's friend, 1 year ago this day Joe won World Cup. I am and my dad very much happy. My father was Queen of England and I am adopted of Queen Elizabeth and next Queen. Before discussed in India, I am my picture printed on currency, but my mom adopted and little Junior Watson and William Watson told my William name printed on currency, little William name printed on currency. Good relation with Malcolm also. Aussie, good relation with Aussies, every player also. I am declared name Mark and Steve Marquardt and Marquardt name on ICC board. Good relation with BCC also. BCCI also. Everything in my hand, World Cup in my hand. And I create one T20. I declare T20 World Cup start. For that, everybody came down to India and another T20 start. Everybody came down to India. It is my idea. It is my budget decision, and I am honor of T20 and World Cup, T20 World Cup also. Nowadays lockdown, that's why stopped everything. Good relation with Vijay Mallo, Bengali and Rajasthan franchise, Rajasthan owner Lalit Modi has good relation. I am returned from I was returned from Ahmedabad to Kolkata. That day was 28th August of 2019. One of my neighbor very much helped me for my traveling time. I reached my airport and airport ticket was economic class. It is transferred to economic to business class. And one phone call came at my mobile, and then and there I guessed I am hijacked by someone because my elder sister, one friend, hijacked by hijack time on Twin Tower last floor, and I know any phone call from airport from lift, it's a hijacked signal. HDFC is one CEO. One day I stayed that time Ahmedabad. He called to me, and I am lift. I have guessed the signal from hijack related anything. I am enter my home and I am cutting vegetable, cut my finger. I am scared it. After that, Sunil Srivastav, I called him dad. My last day of my official promotion time, Sunil Srivastav always talking with me and sound from lift. Everybody knowing because some of big reason behind it. One of my friend compete with me. My school teacher also compete with me. I am first girl from 11th class and 12th class. 2000 Laden everything destroyed for this girl named girl's birthday 9th 11th girl's name Supriya Ganguly. I ask request to every Ganguly nowadays create gathering. That's why request to everybody gather breaking and Obama Hussein in